Hello viewers, Christmas is just around the corner and that means Flipkart's Christmas sale 2025 is almost here. As per the trends, Flipkart Christmas sale is expected between December 22nd to 25th, and trust me, this is going to be one of the best year-end sales of 2025. Right now, Flipkart has already started early deals on Christmas gifts, decorations, festive lights and home decor, but the real discounts will kick in during the main sales. You will get discounts on tablets and iPads. Many people are eagerly waiting to buy iPad 11th generation, so if you are one of them, you can wait till Christmas Day sale. The best price for iPad 11th generation 128GB Wi-Fi variant is around 28,000 to maximum 29,000 rupees. If you don't get this pricing, you have to wait till another sale, maybe Republic Day sale. Also, there will be discounts on tablets like Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE and S10 FE Plus. Currently, if you are planning to buy Tab S10 FE, in that case on Amazon.in, this is priced at 37,000 rupees. But if you wait for the right offers, you can buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE at around 28 to 30,000 price bracket. One of the users actually wants to buy a tablet under the price bracket of 30,000 rupees, but he clearly mentions that he will not buy iPad, so I had to suggest him a tablet in the Android market. In that case, I can suggest you Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus at a price point of 25,000 rupees. And if you don't like Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, in that case, you have to buy another tablet, maybe Lenovo Idea Tab Pro. That will cost around 25,000 rupees during offers, or you can consider buying MotoPad 60 Pro. The best price for MotoPad 60 Pro is around 24,000 rupees for the 256GB. Also, if you have a budget of 43,000 rupees, in that case you can consider buying iPad Air M3. Currently the price of this iPad is 53,000 rupees, so don't buy this iPad right now. Wait for the right offers to come. So in the conclusion, I think you will get discounts in the upcoming Christmas sale. If you don't get these pricings, you can skip the deal and wait for another sale, maybe Republic Day sale. But don't buy any tablet above these pricing, because if you do so, you will definitely repent after buying and using those tablets for some times. Now let me know in the comment sections below which tablet or iPad you are planning to buy. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.